Hello students, welcome to Sree Academy. In this session, మనం ప్రీవియస్గా 2024 సంబంధించిన తెలంగాణ క్వశ్చన్ పేపర్కి సంబంధించిన సొల్యూషన్ చెప్పుకుంటున్నాం. ఈ వీడియోలో కూడా 2024కి సంబంధించిన క్వశ్చన్ పేపర్కి సంబంధించిన కొన్ని బిట్స్ తీసుకొని ఈ వీడియోలో కూడా డిస్కస్ చేద్దాం. ఐఎమ్ చూసింగ్ యార్ ఇంటిగ్రేషన్కి సంబంధించిన బిట్స్ అండ్ ఆల్సో డిఫరెన్షియల్ ఈక్వేషన్కి సంబంధించిన బిట్స్ చెక్ చేద్దాం. బిఫోర్ దాట్ రైట్ 2026-27 ప్రిపేర్ అయ్యే స్టూడెంట్స్ కోసము మన శ్రీ అకాడమీ ఈసెట్ అనే అప్లికేషన్లో ఆండ్రాయిడ్ అప్లికేషన్లో వీడియో లెక్చర్స్ పాయింట్ ఆఫ్ వ్యూ వీడియోస్ ఉన్నాయి. అండ్ ఆల్సో ఆఫ్లైన్ కోచింగ్ రావాలనుకున్న స్టూడెంట్స్ కూడా ఆఫ్లైన్ రావచ్చు. 2026కి ప్రిపేర్ అయ్యే స్టూడెంట్స్ ఇప్పుడు ప్రజెంట్ రైట్ నౌ 5th సెమిస్టర్లో ఉండి నెక్స్ట్ కమింగ్ డేస్లో 6th సెమిస్టర్కి వచ్చే స్టూడెంట్స్ ఇండస్ట్రియల్ ట్రైనింగ్ పాయింట్ ఆఫ్ వ్యూలో హైదరాబాద్కి వచ్చినట్టయితే ఆఫ్లైన్ పాయింట్ ఆఫ్ వ్యూలో మా దగ్గర వీడియో క్లాస్, ఆఫ్లైన్ పాయింట్ ఆఫ్ వ్యూలో క్లాస్ రూమ్ అనేది కోచింగ్ ఉంటుంది. ఆఫ్లైన్ అండ్ ఆన్లైన్ పాయింట్ ఆఫ్ వ్యూలో ఎలాంటి డీటెయిల్స్ కావాలనుకున్నా మా నెంబర్స్కి కాంటాక్ట్ అవ్వండి. ఈ వీడియో డిస్క్రిప్షన్లో ఆ నెంబర్స్ అనేది ప్రొవైడ్ చేయడం జరుగుతుంది. అండ్ ఆల్సో వీఆర్ రైట్ నౌ ఫర్ ఈసెట్ 2026 ఆల్ పాసిబిలిటీస్ ఆన్లైన్లో ప్రిపేర్ కావడానికి కంటెంట్ అనేది అవైలబుల్గా ఉంది. లెట్స్ మూవ్ టు అవర్ టాపిక్, దట్ ఈస్ 2024 తెలంగాణ పేపర్లో వచ్చిన ఇంటిగ్రేషన్కి సంబంధించిన క్వశ్చన్ ఇక్కడ ఉంది. దట్ ఈస్ ద ఇంటిగ్రల్ వాల్యూ ఆఫ్ ఇంటిగ్రల్ కాస్ ఎక్స్ డివైడెడ్ బై sin square x into cos x. Actually from the formula that is a cos 2x we can write as a cos square x minus sin square x. In the question in numerator I am writing cos 2x as a cos square x minus sin square x. In denominator we having a sin square x into cos square x dx. I am separating this LCM for both the function, that is going to be cos square x divided by sin square x into cos square x minus sin square x divided by sin square x into cos x. Here in numerator we having in first function cos square x, in denominator also we having cos square x. I am cancelling this cos square x. Here sin square x cancel. Resultant is going to be 1 by sin square is nothing but cosecant square x. 1 by sin square is nothing but cosecant square x minus 1 by cos square is nothing but secant square x. Integration of cosecant square x is nothing but minus cot x. Integration of secant square x is nothing but tan x. That's what the answer is going to be, minus cot x minus tan x. Here in third option we having minus cot x minus tan x. That's a basic question, fundamental question, formula based cheskun question, right? Follow me one more question, that is integral e power x cosecant x into cosecant x into 1 minus x cosecant x. Here in the question e power x cosecant x is there. If you observe, if I multiply cosecant inside, that is going to be cosecant x minus x cosecant x into cot x I can write. See, always we can say integral of e power f of x, if it is multiplied with the derivative of f of x, we can write answer directly e power f of x plus c. If I take here the function x cosecant x equals to, if I take as a function, if I treat the derivative of this function, if you see x alane undi, cosecant x derivative is going to be minus cosecant x into cot x plus cosecant x atlane undi, x derivative is going to be 1 into dx equals to dt. That is what that is for only one cosecant x is there. If I multiply, that is minus x cosecant x into cot x dx we can represent with dt. That's only here. If it is function, the derivative is existed, we can represent this total function as dt. That's what e power t into dt, that is answer is e power t plus c. See what is t here? Just x cosecant x. Where it is there? E power x cosecant x in where? In second option we having. That's what simply always a function is there, function derivative is existed, we can write directly that function value f of g of x into g dash of x always is going to be f of g of x, right? These are the two problems in integration. Now definite integration question, integral 0 to pi sin 6x into sin 4x. Whenever product of two functions, trigonometry functions vaste, summation ki convert chese formula I can write here sin a into sin b, that is I can write 1 by 2 into I am saying cos of a minus b minus cos of a plus b, either cos a plus b minus cos a minus b, but before that you have to get minus, right? Based upon that I am modifying, that is integral 0 to pi 1 by 2 into cos of a value is going to be 6, b value is going to be 4, 6 minus 4 that is nothing but 2x minus cos of 6 plus 4 is nothing but 10x. Integration apply cheste 1 by 2 is a constant, cos 2x integration is going to be sin 2x by 2 minus cos 10x integration is going to be sin 10x divided by 10. From 0 to pi, always whenever sin is there, 0 to pi is there, always is going to be 0. If I write here upper limit sin n pi always is going to be 0 and lower limit substitute chesina kuda sin 0 is going to be 0. Total answer we can say 0. That's what here in the fourth option we having 0. Coming to another problem, an integral value of integral 0 to pi x sin x cos to the power of 4x dx. Whenever in definite integration, if the function is multiplied with x sin the function and the limits are 0 to pi is there, we have to use one property, that is indirectly. Here I am using the properties, right? First I am writing the properties, that is integral 0 to a f of x dx can be written as integral 0 to a f of a minus x dx. One more property I am using, that is integral 0 to 2a f of x can be written as 2 into integral 0 to a f of x dx when f of 2a minus x equals to f of x, and one more it is going to be 0 when f of 2a minus x equals to minus f of x. I am using these properties here, right? So, right, I will use this property first of all, that is integral 0 to a f of x dx. In place of x I can write a minus x, that I am treating as I. Follow me, right? Integral 0 to pi x into sin x cos to the power of 4x dx is there. If I write in place of here integral 0 to pi, I am writing in place of x pi minus x, that is pi minus x sin of pi minus x, and also cos of pi minus x whole to the power of 4 dx. Here simply we can say always sin pi minus x is nothing but plus sin x and cos pi minus x is nothing but minus cos x. Here power 4 undi kabatti positive vastadi, that I can write as pi minus x sin x into sin x, and you are going to get cos to the power of x 0 to pi is there. I am writing this is as pi into sin x into cos to the power of 4 integral 0 to pi dx minus integral 0 to pi x into sin x into cos to the power of 4x dx. Here I multiplied x into cos to the power of 4 inside. I can represent this one with I. Why? Because this is I. I am taking I this side, right? That is going to be 2I equal to integral 0 to pi into sin x into cos to the power of 4x dx. Right? By substitution method you can do, and also by using this property also we can do. Why? Because if you are getting same function we have to do, right? Here 2I is there, I am writing here pi is outside right? Before that I am taking here cos x equals to directly t. After that cos x derivative is going to be what? Minus sin x dx equals to dt. That is the limits here. If I take x equal to 0, with that t equal to cos 0 equals what? 1. X equal to pi, if I take that is t equal to cos pi is nothing but what? Minus 1. I am substituting here integral x equal to 0 ante 1, x equal to pi ante minus 1. Here cos to the power of, that is t to the power of 4, sin x dx equal to minus dt. That's what minus pi, right? Here we can use the property, that is minus a to a f of x dx is there. We can write 2 into integral 0 to a f of x dx. If f of x is a even function, it is going to be 0 if f of x is a odd function. Here see the function t to the power of 4 even function, that's why we can write 2 into integral 0 to 1 t to the power of 4 dt, that is minus 2 pi t to the power of 4 integration is t to the power of 5 by 5 from 0 to 1, that is minus 2 pi. Here 1 by 5 minus 0 you will get, that's what here 2i equals to, I want I value, that is what you are going to get minus pi by 5 is going to be your answer. 2 to get cancelled indirectly. Now check the answer, that is here what do you got? This is 0. We done wrong thing here, right? Whenever minus 1 to 1, here we represented minus a to a, that's why whenever 1 to minus 1 is there, we can write here you have to multiply with minus, then it is going to be 1 plus 1 from, then it is going to be minus 1 to 1, then we have to multiply with 2, okay, right? It is going to be, that is what here 1 to minus 1 t to the power of 4 dt can be written as minus 1 to, that is minus 1 to 1 t to the power of 4 dt, that we written here. That is what integral minus 1 to 1 dt is there, then you will get here plus pi. After that if you take, that is 2 you are going to get, that is 0 to 1. Okay, let's move to another problem. Right, the area enclosed between the curve y square equal to x and y equal to mod x is there, right? Y square equal to x and y equal to mod x is nothing but here y square equal to x is a parabola is going to be like this, and y equal to mod x is nothing but always the mod x, y equal to mod x means for negative also positive, for positive also negative. To reflection, that is y square equal to x is there and y equal to x. In first quadrant only we are going to have, that's why we will take here indirectly, we can take here x value we can represent 0 and also x equal to, from here we can conclude y square equal to x and y equal to x means if I take here x square equal to x, with that x square minus x equal to 0. If I take x common, x minus 1 equal to 0, that with this we can say x equal to 0 and x equal to 1. X value 1 and the limits are going to be 0 to 1 and area between these two curves is nothing but integral 0 to 1 y of upper curve based upon, you take anything, right? Y of upper curve I am checking as y square equal to x, that is nothing but root x minus y of lower curve is nothing but x dx. Now simplify, this is going to be 2 by 3 into x power 3 by 2 integration of root x and it is going to be x square by 2. The limits are going to be 0 to 1. Now substitute 1 substitute jeste 2 by 3 minus 1 by 2, 0 substitute jeste 0 study. If you simplify now, it is going to be 6, 4 minus 3 is nothing but 1 by 6. Where it is in fourth option, it is 1 by 6. Right, the differential equation, the topic differential equation problem discuss చేద్దాం. The differential equation of the family of curves xy equal to c1 e power x plus c2 e power minus x. xy ఇచ్చిండు, 2 arbitrary constants ఇచ్చిండంటే 2 times differentiate చేయాలా, right? This is I am treating as 1. Now I am applying differentiation on both sides. Then what you are going to get xy derivative of xy is nothing but x అట్లనే ఉంది, y derivative is going to be y1. I am representing dy by dx with y1 and also y అట్లనే ఉంది, x derivative 1 equals to c1 e power x. c1 e power x derivative is e power x plus c2 e power minus x derivative is e power minus x into minus 1. Now it is going to be c1 e power x minus c2 e power minus x. This is going to be second equation, that is xy1 plus y. Once again I am applying a differentiation on both sides. That is what second order derivative x అట్లనే ఉంది, y derivative y2 plus x అట్లనే ఉంది, y1 derivative y2 అయినప్పుడు ఇప్పుడు y1 అట్లనే పెట్టాలి, x derivative ఏమవుతుంది 1 plus y derivative is going to be 1 y1, that is c1 e power x, c1 constant e power x derivative e power x plus c2 here it is not plus, it is going to be minus minus c2 e power minus x derivative is e power minus x into minus 1. If you write, that is c1 e power x plus c2 e power minus x. This is equation number 3. That's what xy2 plus 2y1. I am representing this with equation number 1 directly as xy. That is what xy2 plus 2y1 equals to xy. That is, if you represent with second order derivatives and 2 dy by dx, if I take this function this side minus xy equal to 0, where it is x d square y by dx square plus undale plus 2 dy by dx, ikkada plus undi, ikkada plus undi, that is the answer, that is minus xy equal to 0, right? Basic formation of differential equation based chesukone question ochindi, right? The general solution of the differential equation dy by dx minus x into tan y minus x equals to 1. Here in concluding, whenever the function is there, here tan of y minus x we can't separate. That's why what I am doing means I am taking y minus x equal to one variable, that is t, I am taking as t. Then dy by dx minus 1 equal to dt by dx. I want here dy by dx only, that's what dx only, that's what dt by dx plus 1, right? I am substituting these values, that is dy by dx equals, if I write here, that is what dt divided by dx plus 1 minus x into tan t equals to 1. Here plus 1 both side plus n undi, ఈ మైనస్ tan t అటు తీసుకపోతే dt divided by dx equals to x tan t. Now variables are, we can separate. I am checking dx this side, tan this side, it is going to be cot t dt equals to x dx, that is cos t integration. If I apply integration for both sides, then it is going to be log of sin t equal to x square by 2 plus c. If I take log this side, it is going to be sin t equal to e power x square by 2 plus c. We can write e power c into e power x square by 2. That's what sin t is nothing but y minus x equals to, we can write e power c as constant only, e power x square by 2. That only you are having that is sin of y minus x. Sin of y minus x equal to c into e power x square by 2 is your answer, right? The general solution of the differential equation xy into dy by dx equal to 1 plus y square by 1 plus x square ఉంది, రైట్? నేను ఇక్కడ వేరియబుల్స్ని సపరేట్ చేయగలుగుతా, సపరేట్ చేస్తాను. y టర్మ్స్ ఇక్కడే ఉండాలి, x టర్మ్స్ ఇటు సైడ్ రావాలి, కాబట్టి 1 plus y square ఇటు వస్తే ఏమవుతుంది, y divided by 1 plus y square dy equals to, taking the x this side, 1 divided by 1 plus x square ఆల్రెడీ ఉంది, ఇక్కడ న్యూమరేటర్లో ఉంది, ఇటు వస్తే డినామినేటర్, రైట్? dx డినామినేటర్లో ఉంది కాబట్టి వస్తే న్యూమరేటర్, Now if I integrate both side, y divided by 1 plus y square dy equals to integral of 1 divided by x into 1 plus x square dx. See, in integration, whenever integral f dash of x divided by f of x వచ్చిందనుకోరి, we can write a log of f of x. And also I am using one more formula, that is integral of 1 divided by x into x power n plus 1 ఉంటే we can write 1 by n into log of x power n divided by x power n plus 1. I am using these two formulas here. With that, it is going to be changed, right? Here integral y divided by 1 plus y square dx dy ఉంది, and also integral 1 divided by x into 1 plus x square dx ఉంది. I didn't have here 1 plus y square derivative. 1 plus y square derivative ఏంటిది 2y. That's why I am multiplying dividing with 2. Then the resultant answer is going to be 1 by 2 log of 1 plus y square. By using the formula 1 divided by x into x power n place la 2 ఉంది కాబట్టి 1 by 2 into log of x square by x square plus 1 వస్తుంది. 1 by 2 log of x square divided by 1 plus x square is going to be your answer, right? Both side 1 by 2 ఉంది, c by 2 ఉన్నా కూడా ఒకటే క్యాన్సిల్ చేయొచ్చు. Then it is going to be, I can write this is log of 1 plus y square equal to log of c into x square divided by 1 plus x square. I can represent this c as log c. Log m plus log n is nothing but log mn. Both side log undi. 1 plus y square equal to c into x square divided by 1 plus x square. I can take 1 plus x square this side. 1 plus y square into 1 plus x square equal to cx square. This is your answer. Let's we check where it is 1 plus x square into 1 plus y square equal to cx square. Other values are going to be different, right? Coming to next question. Here the general solution of the differential equation in previous topic also, previous papers lo kuda మనం డిస్కస్ చేసుకున్నాం. లీనియర్ డిఫరెన్షియల్ ఈక్వేషన్ నుంచి క్వశ్చన్ వస్తుంది. ఇఫ్ ఐ కంపేర్ దిస్ ఈక్వేషన్ విత్ dy by dx plus py equals to q, here p value is going to be minus 2 by x, q value is going to be 2x cube plus x. Then the solution is going to be, before that you have to find the integrating factor e power integral p dx. That's what e power integral minus 2 by x dx. We can write e power minus 2 into log x. I can write e power, that is log of x power minus 2. It is nothing but x power minus 2. That can be written as x square. E power log f of x always is going to be f of x. Now the solution for this question is nothing but, that is y into x power, that is 1 by x square equal to integral of q is nothing but 2x cube plus x divided by x square dx. That's what 2x cube by x square is nothing but x plus x by x square is nothing but 1 by x. If I integrate this, that is going to be x square plus log x plus c. If I write y value, y, because in the options y is there, that's why if I take x square this side, x to the power of 4 plus x square log x plus c into x square, where it is in first option only we having this. Okay, let's move to another problem, right? By using linear only we decided, right? Here see, if I take here what having a secant square dy by dx plus x into tan y equal to x cube. Here this is going to be z I am taking. Tan y equal to z means secant square dy by dx equal to dz by dx I can say. Now the variable this is, now it is going to be in linear in z variable. That's why integrating factor is nothing but, that is z quotient, that is x, e power integral p dx. That is what e power integral x dx. Now this is going to be p, this is going to be q. Now if you write r, that is nothing but e power x square by 2. Be careful, right? The solution I am writing, that is z into integrating factor e power x square by 2 equals to integral of q is nothing but x cube into e power x square by 2 dx. I am writing this as e power x square by 2 into x square into x into dx. I will write x square by 2 equal to as t. With that, 2x into 1 by 2 dx equals to dt. That's what 2 to get cancelled. X dx equals to dt I can write. With this x square equal to 2t I can write. I am using these three values, right? X dx equal to dt, x square equal to tt, and here e power t. That's what I am writing here. Z into e power x square by 2 equal to integral of e power t, x square equal to 2t into dt. I am taking out 2 outside, integral of e power t into ddt. You will get more number of times for suppose e power integration of e power x into x dx. If you are getting, just try to remember, that is e power x into x minus 1 is going to be your answer. Here t undi, that's why 2 into e power t into t minus 1. Here I am replacing 2 into e power x square by 2, that is x square by 2 minus 1 plus c. Z is nothing but tan y into e power x square by 2. This is your answer, right? Only tan y is there. Tan y unnadi okate option lo undi. With that also we can conclude. But we will simplify here. Tan y equals to e 2 inside multiply isthana e power x square by 2, that is 2 into x square by 2 ante x square minus 2 divided by e power x square by 2 plus c into, that's what divided by c divided by e power x square by 2. That we can write as e power x square by 2, e power x square by 2 cancel, that is x square minus 2 plus c into e power minus x square by 2 is your answer. That is tan y equal to x square minus 2 plus c into e power minus x square by 2 is your answer. Okay, some complication is there, that's what. If you know the formulas, then only we can say. Here is asking particular integral, only particular integral is asking. What is a particular integral? We can write x divided by f of d. That's what x is what e power minus 3x plus cos 4x divided by f of d is nothing but d square plus 16. If I separate, that is e power minus 3x divided by d square plus 16 plus cos 4x divided by d square plus 16. Cos ఉంది కాబట్టి ఇక్కడ d square ప్లేస్లో మైనస్ 4 స్క్వేర్ రాయాలి, ఇక్కడ d ప్లేస్లో మైనస్ 3 రాయాలి. సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేస్తే e పవర్ మైనస్ 3x డివైడెడ్ బై minus 3 whole square means 9 plus 16. If you substitute here, minus 16 plus 16 is going to be cancelled. That's what it is going to be failure case. When failure case is given, we have to write x by 2 integration of cos 4x. That's what e power minus 3x divided by 25 plus x by 2 integration of cos 4x is nothing but sin 4x divided by 4. Where it is e power minus 3x divided by 25 ekkada undi, ఒకటే దగ్గర ఉంది, e power minus 3x by 25. Next x by 2 into 4 is nothing but 8 sin 4x is your answer. Right, the particular integral of the differential equation equal to x square and ichindi. Once again, particular integral is nothing but what x divided by f of d. Here also x square divided by d square plus d plus 1. I am writing this as x square divided by 1 plus of d square plus d. If I take to numerator 1 plus d square plus d whole to the power of minus 1 into x square. By expanding this 1 plus d square plus d whole to the power of minus 1, it is going to be 1 minus of d square plus d plus d square plus d whole square minus d square plus d whole to the power of 3 up to so on into x square. Now the derivative of x square is nothing but what? 2x. Double derivative of x square is what? 2. Triple derivative of x square is what? 0. Means more than degree 3 ఉన్న టర్మ్స్ అవసరం లేదు. డిగ్రీ 2 టర్మ్ ఇక్కడ కూడా ఎగ్జిస్ట్ అవుతుంది. ఎక్స్పాండ్ చేస్తే 1 మైనస్ డి స్క్వేర్ మైనస్ డి ప్లస్ డి టు ది పవర్ ఆఫ్ 4 ప్లస్ డి స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ 2d క్యూబ్. ఇవి ఎట్లాగో నెగ్లెక్ట్ చేస్తాను ఇంటూ ఎక్స్ స్క్వేర్. ఇక్కడ డి టు ది పవర్ ఆఫ్ 4 కూడా అవసరం లేదు, డి టు ది పవర్ ఆఫ్ 3 కూడా అవసరం లేదు. ఇక ప్లస్ డి స్క్వేర్ మైనస్ డి స్క్వేర్ క్యాన్సల్, 1 మైనస్ డి ఒకటే మిగిలింది. ఎక్స్ స్క్వేర్ ఇన్సైడ్ మల్టిప్లై చేస్తే ఎక్స్ స్క్వేర్ ఇంటూ 1 ఎక్స్ స్క్వేర్ మైనస్ డెరివేటివ్ ఆఫ్ ఇయర్ డెరివేటివ్ ఆఫ్ ఎక్స్ స్క్వేర్ ఈజ్ నథింగ్ బట్ వాట్? 2x. ఎక్స్ స్క్వేర్ మైనస్ 2x is your answer. Here x square minus 2x is there in fourth option. That is going to be your answer, right? Coming to another problem, the solution of the differential equation, applications of differential equation is given. Here subject to conditions y dash y double dash. Ante after finding y, you have to find y dash and also y double dash. By using that equations, you have to give the values. Here see in the options, if you see, that is e power 3x e power 5x ఉంది, right? 3 and 5 సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేస్తే ఏది యాక్సెప్ట్ చేస్తుంది అన్నప్పుడు ఖచ్చితంగా ఇక్కడ ఏముంది? 2 ఉంది, అడిషనే ఉంటుంది ఎట్లాగో కట్టి. 3 ప్లస్ 5 అంటే ఎంత? 8. కానీ ఇక్కడ లేదు కదా. 5 మైనస్ 3 అంటే 2, ఓకే మైనస్ 2, ఇది సాటిస్ఫైడ్. ఇదన్నా కావాలి అంటే ప్లస్ 5 ఉండాలి అండ్ ఆల్సో మైనస్ 3 ఉండాలి. ప్లస్ 5 మైనస్ 3 రెండు ఆప్షన్స్లో ఉంది, రైట్? 3 ఆప్షన్లో అంటే ఫోర్త్ ఆప్షన్ కాదు, సెకండ్ ఆప్షన్ కాదు, రైట్? ప్లస్ 5 మైనస్ 3 2 ఆప్షన్స్లో ఉన్నది కాబట్టి ఈ రెండిట్లో లేదు అక్కడ. అప్పుడు కోఎఫిషియెంట్స్ డిఫరెంట్, ఒక కోఎఫిషియెంట్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేసిన ఆన్సర్ వస్తుంది. నౌ లెట్స్ విల్ రైట్ దట్ ఈస్ డి స్క్వేర్ అపర్ ఫార్ మైనస్ డి minus 15 into y equal to 0. If I write the roots indirectly, m square minus 2m minus 15 equal to 0. That's what second order auxiliary equation this is. If you write m square plus 5m minus 3m minus 15 equal to 0. With that we can write here you got minus, right? Minus means you have to get here minus 5 plus 3, then only you will get minus 2m. That's what m minus 5 into m plus 3 equal to 0 you will get. That is m values are going to be 5 comma 3. With that we can write y equal to c1 e power 5x plus c2 e power minus 3x. Now I want y, I am finding y dash. Y dash is nothing but first order derivative. It is going to be 5 into c1 e power minus plus 5x minus 3 c2 into e power minus 3x. If I substitute here y dash of 0 ante y dash 0 ane cheyala, x equal to 0 anayala. Appudu 0 equals to 5 c1 minus 3 c2 you will get. And y double dash I am writing, that is once again derivative for this. You are going to get 25 c1 e power 5x minus plus 9 c2 e power minus 3x you will get. Here y double dash equals to 2 and when x equal to 0, right? 25 c1 plus 9 c2 I will get. I am multiplying here 0 equal to 5 c1 minus 3 c2, 2 equal to 25 c1 plus 9 c2. I am multiplying the equation with 5, then what you will get? 0 plus 25 c1 plus 3 5 is 15 minus 15 minus 15 c2. If I subtract these is going to be 2 equals to 9 plus 15 is nothing but what? 24 C2. With that, C2 equal to 2 by 24 is nothing but 1 by 12. That's what C2 is nothing but C2 is nothing but 1 by 12. E power minus 3x quotient 1 by 12 ఉండాలి. ఈ రెండు ఆప్షన్లలో e power minus 3x quotient 1 by 12 ఇక్కడే ఉంది. And also if I substitute also, you are going to get once again simplification చేసినప్పుడు C1 వాల్యూ కూడా వస్తుంది, C2 వాల్యూ సాటిస్ఫై చేసింది కాబట్టి దిస్ ఈజ్ యువర్ గోయింగ్ టు బి ఆన్సర్. రైట్ C1 కూడా ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేద్దాము. C1 ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలంటే 25 ఉంది. ఇప్పుడు C2ని ఎలిమినేట్ చేయాలి. దట్స్ వై 2 ఈక్వల్స్ టు 25 C1 ప్లస్ 9 C2. I am multiplying this equation with 2. Then you will get 0 equal to 10 C1 minus 9 C2. 3తో మల్టిప్లై చేసినాం కదా, 3తో మల్టిప్లై చేయాలి అంటే రైట్ ఎలిమినేట్ చేయాలి అంటే కంపల్సరీ యూ హ్యావ్ టు మల్టిప్లై ఫస్ట్ ఈక్వేషన్ విత్ 3. దెన్ ఇట్ ఈస్ గోయింగ్ టు బి 0 ఈక్వల్ టు 15 C1 minus 9 C2. If I add this indirectly, it is going to be cancelled. Then 2 equal to 40 C1 equal to 1 by 20. Now C2 equal to 1 by 12, C1 equal to 1 by 20. Where it is compulsory in second option only, 1 by 20, right? These are the problems. And also if you are preparing for ECET in online, you can utilize our application. Each and everything you are going to get in our application. Please if you want any doubt on that, please check the description in the video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel and like our channel. Please share our channel for more content. Okay, thank you.